Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog, and this is for educational purposes only, and come with me to Puerto Princesa, Palawan. This is actually my first time doing a solo travel because my friends are already there and I had to stay sa Cebu for 20 hours because of the layover kasi walang direct flight from Tacloban to Puerto Princesa, and I think mas cheaper yung flight kapag mas matagal yung layover sa isang city. And touchdown, we're already here at Puerto Princesa, Palawan. I'm really excited. And we stayed at Costa Palawan in Puerto Princesa. The room is very spacious and big for 2 people. So for day 1, pumunta kami ng Butterfly Garden and Tribe Village. And super maganda doon. They have so many animals aside sa butterfly. And then, pumunta kami sa Tribe Village. Parang konting walk lang doon.
Sabi niya naman po kapag mabigat na, no problem dahil aside sa shoulder strap, may... Actually, dati po, nakasulat lang siya sa book. So, ngayon, sa mga hindi pa nakita ng Kudyapi, ayan, live na live po natin makikita yung kanilang Kudyapi. Sila. And meron silang sariling musical instrument. Meron po sila dito yung maliliit na metal. Tinatawag nila itong sana.
Pagka-uwi, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa beachfront ng aming hotel and nanguha na din ako ng pang-dinner namin kasi wala na kaming pera. Sure, joke lang. And decided na pumunta sa famous baywalk ng Puerto Princesa para mag-view lang nung sunset kasi napakaganda yung sunset sa Puerto Princesa. Day 3 of our Puerto Princesa, Palawan trip, we decided to go to Underground River Cave, and it took us 2 hours to get there. But before that, dumaan muna kami sa Ugong Rock Adventure, and you have a choice. If you want to do caving and spelunking, you have to pay 300 pesos, and if pagod na kayong bumaba, you can do zip line for 350 pesos for 40 seconds. In here, papunta na tayo sa Underground River and sasakay tayo ng bangka for 15 minutes. And dito, ini-instruct na ni tour guide yung mga rules, yung bawal at saka pwede doon sa Underground River.
On our way to Underground River.
In here, bibigyan kayo ng tag-iisa-isang recorded device na kung saan ito yung pakikinggan ninyo ng mga explanation about sa history ng Underground River kasi as much as possible, mini-maintain nila yung quietness sa loob ng cave. The tour will last for about 30 to 45 minutes and medyo may amoy sa loob ng cave at dahil yun sa mga bats, so kung sensitive ka, magdala ka ng face mask. And dito, importante yung ginagamit yung imagination kasi napakaraming mga rock formation na mapapa-wow factor ka talaga. Dahil yon sa mga sinasabi doon sa recorded audio na droplets lang yon na nagawa siya for 100,000 years ago. Ito, for example, is yung cathedral and marami pang iba. This one, tinatawag nilang ampalaya. Nakakatawa, pero para siyang ampalaya. And lastly is lunch. And hindi ako pwedeng umalis sa Puerto Princesa without trying the tamilok. This is a woodworm and similar lang siya with the taste of an oyster. And that's it for my Puerto Princesa vlog. See you on my next one. Bye!